How we doing, Facebook world? Cameron Stewart calling in here. It's oh look, we've got Dexter here as well. It's a beautiful day up here in Auckland. As you can see, my head is shining with the beautiful sunshine, and just here at a new project in Papatoetoe. So just wanted to really quickly show you the first video of this project as far as the renovation is concerned. Video 1 of the Papatoetoe Project 2019. So just bear with me, and I'll spin the camera around. So all of these fences here will be painted on both sides. That side there will be painted as well. So what you've got is a 3-bedroom brick home, so quick. So all these fences will be fixed up and painted. This ugly thing here will get pulled down. All of the architraves and everything, and the eaves and stuff will be painted. Just around here will just be tidied up. The base will be painted. Small site here, and that's just down the back. Pretty simple. So the tenants have just vacated. You all good, John?
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, mate. If you want a good kitchen guy, this is the guy, John. If you want a top kitchen, John's your man.
Thank you. Fast.
Thanks, John. Cheers, mate. So we've got a single garage here. Garage opener. This be a new super tub there, and there'll be a tile, 2 600 tiles out to about there. Just to tidy that up. Obviously everything will get painted here. All new carpet. So we've got bedroom 1. It's just tired, it's just had tenants in. So the cupboards and stuff are all in pretty good sort of order. The big cupboards in each room. So that's 1 bedroom, and then here we have the master electrician. If you're looking for a master electrician, Dave's your man. So this is the master bedroom, so you've got 2 double cupboards. Obviously that door's broken, so that'll be fixed. Bit of damage up here. Been a bit of a water leak. This is like the ensuite, so you've got a shower here and a toilet there. So a bit of a small ensuite, but an ensuite nevertheless. In here, you got a, so what we'll do here, put a shower there, so keep the bathroom as it is. That bath has currently got a shower over it. As you can see, there's been a bit of damage here, water damage and stuff because of that. So that is that will get fixed, and that shower over the bath will get removed. And this bath, brand new bath in here, a new vanity. That will be a shower where the vanity is. And there'll be a new vanity put in here with a mirror cabinet above. So that means it'll be a bath, toilet, shower, vanity. So that'll be good. And then you've got the 3rd bedroom here. All double bedrooms, good cupboards. Riveting stuff, riveting stuff. So in here, you've got your kitchen. There's a bit of a dead space here behind this door. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this doorway over around 60 mil. So then this pantry will go actually flush right into that corner. So that dead space that's in there will be gone. So be all a new kitchen. As you can see, it's just dated. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then all on the floor here will be tiled. So as you can see, so there'll be tiles going roughly from around this corner on a slight angle over, and then over like this, and then directly to the corner of that window, and then you've got your lounge area here. Front door here, and that just goes back out into the driveway. So this is video 1 of the Papatoetoe Project 2019. I hope you're all having an absolutely fantastic day. Cameron Stewart signing out. How are we doing, Facebook world? Cameron Stewart calling in, just out here in Papatoetoe at this project here. Just wanted to do the video for the progress here. We're getting well and truly through things here. Kitchen's going in on Wednesday. Painting's not far from finished. Most of the tiling's done, and we're just waiting for some waterproofing to be done in the bathroom so that tiling can be finished. So I thought I'd just give you a quick video of some of the progress here. So the next video after this will be a lot more progressive. Carpet, kitchen will be in, etc. So this will just sort of show you the property in a bit more of a naked form. So just let me turn this camera around. So as you can see, we've painted the fences, painted the base, painted the fences around the back. So this is around the back of the property. So it'll be a pretty quick turnaround here. So did some tiling here at the back door, new super tub. So just put a couple of 600 tiles out like that, and put the stuff for everything here. Obviously the painting's still underway, so obviously everything's been gutted and painted. So here we have the master here, painting the making it happen. So in here, the bathrooms are still to be waterproofed. So as you can see, shower here, new shower here. There'll be waterproofing all along those walls. Toilet will be there, bar and vanity there. So you know, it's a bit more family orientated. So you've actually got an ensuite in the main bathroom too. Obviously the third bedroom. It's amazing what a bit of paint does. Then you've got this whole area out here has been tiled. There's been tiling done all throughout here. So we sort of squeeze it off here. That's looking into the living area, and that's looking back at the kitchen that way. So once the kitchen goes in, it will really pull it all together and make it look a lot tidier than what it is now. So I thought I'd quickly do a video there just to show you some of the progress. This phase, from this phase on, the houses come together pretty quickly, and you'll see it change from being sort of pretty bland to looking quite magnificent. So anyway, I hope that inspires someone to get out there and actually renovate their house, tidy it up, make it look better. So it's not hard, it's just there's a system to it, there's a strategy to it, and if you want some help, reach out, and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Cameron signing out. Facebook Live, Cameron Stewart calling in here from Papatoetoe, here at the project in Papatoetoe. It's all finished, and staging's going in tomorrow and ready for market. So I thought this is video 3. If you go back through the feed here on the page, on the Get Into Property page, you'll be able to see video 1 and video 2 of this particular project, and you'll be able to see how far it's come from when it started to where it is now. So I hope this inspires someone. If you feel that my videos are beneficial and may help some other people that are looking to renovate, definitely share my page. You never know, it might give someone a few ideas. So what I'll do is I'll spin this camera around and just give you a bit of a quick tour, so bear with me. So this is looking at down the driveway. This is a cross lease property, 3 bed, 2 bath. We've got Dexter. Hey Dexter, what do you reckon? Dexter's out. So the exterior of the property, we've got some gardens in here. I'll give you a bit of a quick walk around. All under the eaves have been painted. The garage door has been painted. All up there has been painted. gardens here. All of the fences have obviously been painted as well. This just goes around the back, as you can see. Brick house, aluminium windows, great property. And then we've got gardens all the way down here. So this just down the side of the house like that. Still a little bit of vacuuming to do on the inside, but you'll get the gist. And then we go around to the interior. The front entrance, door's been painted white, it's got a bit of glass to go in there. So this is the interior of the property. So as you can see, good spacious living area, new carpet, tiles, and then you go over here. So that's looking at the kitchen. As you can see, it's a nice sort of open plan kitchen dining. So for a townhouse, it's actually quite spacious. So in behind the door here, as you'll see, we've extended the cupboards. So now we've got quite a big kitchen, big fridge gap there, and a lot of cupboard space. We've got the microwave, goes in under the bench there. Obviously all new appliances. So going through here, this is bedroom 1, mine the so all new curtains, carpet. Don't buy these vacuum cleaners. I bought it from the warehouse for $50 and it's blown up. I shouldn't have been so cheap. Hallway, and then we've got the family bathroom here. Big shower here in the corner. Toilet. Mirror cabinet. New vanity. So the bath is separate, no shower over there now. Separate shower. Just makes it a lot more usable. And then into the second bedroom here. As you can see, all nicely painted, new carpet. And this is the master bedroom. So you've got 2 big cupboards, new shelves and pipes and stuff in there for hanging the clothes. So it's very functional, works well. And then you've got a small ensuite. And then you've got a shower there, all tiled. So as you can see, it's a bit of a step up from what it was. And then down the hallway here, just got to get this garage swept out. New super tub and tiles there. Obviously got an electric door opener and single garage. So that's that. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Cameron Stewart calling in. So, like I said, if you know people that are looking to renovate or looking for ideas, maybe get them to follow my page. We do a lot of properties all over Auckland and other parts of New Zealand as well. So, might give someone a few ideas and maybe inspire them to renovate their own home and add some value. So, hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. I know I am, and we'll see you next time. Over and out.